Welcome everyone. Let's quickly look at how to draft this pattern today. So here is our shoe last. We've marked it and our center line is drawn. So we are going to take a measurement from here down to this place, 1.5 inch. So with the help of our tape, we'll take this measurement down here. Then from here down to this place is 10 centimeters. Okay, so just place it this way and take that mark here. So now the next thing we are going to do now is to turn our shoe last, the heel part of it, and take a measurement to this point, 3.5 inch. My line is already drawn, so I just eyeball it and extend the line here. So now after these measurements, we are going to extend this line down to this place, which is this feather edge. So let's turn our shoe last this way and take a measurement to this place, 6 centimeters. So this is where the 6 centimeters is. We will connect this line to this place. So I'll just do it this way. So go ahead and connect things like this, making sure that the line is straight enough. If it's not, just go ahead, clean it and continue till you are satisfied with the line you are working on. So now we are done with this. We are going to take another measurement from here up 4 centimeters. All right, so here is our 4 centimeter point here. So this feather edge is 5 centimeters. All right, so place the tape this way and take that measurement, and we are going to connect this to this just as we did the first one. So just gradually connect, making sure that the line is straight as possible. All right, so this is us trying to get this line to be as straight as possible. Okay, so this is what we have, and I think it's okay. What do you think? So now we'll take measurement from this point backwards, 2 centimeters, and from here to here, 3.5 centimeters. So we'll place our tape as usual and take these measurements. That's 2 centimeters backwards and 3.5 centimeters front side. Okay, now after this, we're going to take a measurement from this place. That's the 1.5 inch we made earlier. We're going to come down by 2.5 centimeters. Okay, I later adjusted this to 2.5 centimeters. So go ahead and take these measurements there, then draw a straight line with the help of the tape. Then we're going to extend this one a bit up by 2 centimeters or 2.5 centimeters, because it will help us to know where our curve will start from. All right, so we just take this measurement here, then now extend this line. We will try and take it up. So now we're going to curve this way, all right, to meet with this line. So go ahead and just follow my lead. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to go. Gradually bring it all together. All right, so this is what we have. And if you're not satisfied with the shape, just go ahead, clean it off and then redraw it. So now this, after drawing this, we're going to do the second one, which is here. So now from this measurement, we're going to meet with this other end, which is here. So we'll take a measurement of 3.5 centimeters. Okay, then go up a bit and then make a mark of 3.5 centimeters as well. Okay, then we will try and connect this, curving it as we go. All right, so this is what we are going to do here. As you can see on the pattern, is curvy, so this is it. Then when we get to this end, we also curve it out. It is not having a sharp end, so it's curvy. So that's what we will try and achieve here, also making sure that the curve is pretty nice. Okay, so now this is what we have. I think the shape is also good as it is. So now what we'll do next is just to cut it after our pattern is ready. So let's quickly make a mark at this feather edge so that we know where to start our extension, that's lasting extension from. Then as you can see, this footwear has an applique in the front, which my own applique is also here, so we'll use it once we cut our leather. All right, so just quickly go ahead and cut off this leather and place it. So now this is our plain paper and is big enough to contain the vamp unfold. So we'll fold it to get the center and use our ruler to draw a straight line there at the center. So after this, we'll take our pattern that we've cut out for our shoe last and place it, making sure it's the tip, both the back and the front, is touching the line. This is very important, okay, so that you know that your vamp is in the right direction. So after that, just try and spread everything out, making sure you have limits, just less crease. Okay, so this is it. Now just make sure that this line is touching, then we'll just go ahead and do our extension for our shoe, for our lasting. Then another thing is I'm going to use a double sole for this, so we need enough lasting allowance. So what I did was just to extend it by 4 centimeters. You can increase this. It's better you have excess lasting allowance than having a short one, and at the end of the day you will waste the vamp. So it's better that you cut it out than trashing the whole thing. So I'll go ahead and add here also, just add 4 to 5 centimeters, then extend the lines and connect the dots. Okay, so just do this and make sure that the shape still is still in order. Then all we have to do now is just go through the vamp all around, making sure that all our lines are out and even. Okay, if there is any curvy or discrepancies, just make sure that everything comes out pretty nice all around. Okay, so this is us trying to make sure that everything stays out fine and nice. So once we are done with this, all we're going to do is just to fold this paper into two. So we'll fold it. If you have stapler, go ahead and use stapler on it to hold it in place so that it doesn't shift while cutting. My stapler is misbehaving, as you can see how it is there. So what we have as an alternative is our masking tape. So we'll use the leftover from our shoe last to hold the edges of this paper so that it will not shift while we are cutting. the main vamp out from the paper. So just place here and there also. After that, we cut it out. All right, so now everything is all out, and this is how the shape is. I think we are okay with this. Then we'll use it to cut all our leather, then line them and add our applique. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do that now. So here my leather is all cut out. So I've added our applique, and this is the back side of it. Okay, the metal is showing, which is not really nice. So what we are going to do now is to cover these things up with a piece of leather. So I've cut a piece of leather. This is just tiny and enough to cover this in. So we'll just use super glue here. Okay, drop just a few of it on the leather and place it so that it covers that metal behind, just a few, and cover it this way. Okay, so as you can see, it's better now than before. It's safe in there other than hurting someone's leg. Okay, so we'll quickly do this second one. Okay, just a few drops here, and we'll place this. So this is how you cover your applique metals behind. So with the super glue, just close it up this way and you're good. So don't forget that you can adjust this pattern to the sizes you want to make. So after this, we just couple our footwear. All right, so here, this is the end result of our drafting and coupling. This is how pretty it looks, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you're going to try it out soon. If you do, like the video, comment if you have any question, share for others to see. Okay, there is no limit to crafting, and I hope I'll see you soon in my next class. Bye.